So now I'm going to tell you a little bit about the drying process, and as you're moving over your excess carrier and we're drying that off, I'm going to tell you what happens here using our Gemco system, and especially this piece of equipment right here, which is our solvent recovery system. Some of our customers at Advanced Powder Solutions have a solution that they would like to spray onto their bed of material. And by doing so, they're depositing an active on top of all of their particles. And they want APS to evenly and uniformly coat that entire particle. And the way that we do that is using the Gemco formulator that I just showed you and how it mixes very, very efficiently. And the second half of how we do that is drying off the excess carrier. So inside this solution that our customers send over to us is an active ingredient and a carrier to deposit and flow that ingredient onto the bed of material as it mixes. So then what happens is we go through a drying process. And during the drying process, we heat the shell, which I've explained, and then the excess carrier starts to be boiled off. The excess carrier could be aqueous or it could be solvent-based. Advanced Powder Solutions is set up to handle both. And the way that we handle it is with this solvent recovery system, which you see behind me. I'm going to go through the different parts of it. So as the carrier is being heated, it starts to vaporize inside the unit. The vacuum that you see here will literally pull a vacuum all the way through to the unit. As it pulls through the primary filter, all of your particulate will make sure it stays inside the vessel, while only the carrier is being pulled through the filter. It gets pulled through our entire vacuum line through a secondary entrainer, which you see right here. The secondary entrainer stops any particulate that may have gotten through. And then it goes to what we call the condenser. And on the condenser, that heated solvent, that heated aqueous carrier, starts to condense out. This is chilled and stays very cool. So as the warm vapor comes through, it starts getting chilled, and then it goes into its liquid form. As it goes to its liquid form, it transfers right down here into our jacketed receiver tank. And as it stays a nice cool liquid, we're able to account for it at the end of the batch. This is imperative for our clients who want a mass balance calculation at the end of their runs to make sure all of their active ingredient was deposited on their particles. And then secondarily, they use this in our very green recovery system, and they use this recovered solvent for cleaning agents, or to even add additive particles back in and additive ingredients to make sure those actives stir it up again and then come back for round two. Advanced Powder Solutions is always striving to do the best and the greatest and the right thing, and we're very happy to be a very nice green facility where we recycle and reuse as much as we possibly can for our clients.